What is up, ice fishing freaks? Luke Reeser here from Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors. We just pulled in here down the Mississippi River. All open water out there. Looks like this bay here is still frozen, so we're gonna go out and try to catch some fish on it. Mike's out there. There's a couple other guys walking around out there. Should be about 5 inches out there, I would say. Got Stace with me today. We stopped and grabbed some new jigs. We're gonna try a couple different things, put some tip ups out, maybe catch some pike and some bass. Hoping for some big panfish. Yeah, so first step is just to get out on the ice. So we're gonna get trekking. Stay tuned. Donkey hunting starts right now. How's it going?
To north, and it should really take off. Big, whatever it is.
Got him?
Yeah. Oh, there he goes. Oh, yeah, it's northern.
Oh yeah. See, he's just one over here.
Yeah, I seen him. Here he comes.
There he goes. Nice.
I ain't got my pliers either. Anybody got some?
I got some.
I could try it. These ain't really got it swallowed. Oof. He's got it where he wasn't getting away. Told you I was going to catch one out of his hole. Ain't a very big one, but it looked a lot bigger going on race through here. Ooh. There we go. Came out easier than I thought it would.
Good job. Nice Mississippi River pike right there.
Got an injured eye.
Stace. It's spinning. Really spinning.
He's really spinning. Look out for that. Oh, another northern maybe. Oh, my gas getting a little rusty. There he goes in.
Got him?
Nope.
Missed him?
Yeah, caught on the edge of the ice.
Oh, I should have grabbed it when it went. He really ran with it. Got him. Perch. I just had a walleye minnow on it with a light line, and I think I might have to eat him though. He's got that little trouble in his belly. Just a little guy, but pretty sure I killed him. He had that treble hook buried in him. It's floppy doodle time. Floppy doodle. I'm gonna drill a new hole for it. Huh? Floppy doodle's out. Let's go to work. We got bass? Little bass. Tip up. Must have been a false alarm. Got him, Mike? Yeah, right.
That was a big one.
It was?
He stole my treble hook and all.
Ooh. Third time's a charm, Michael.
This is about ready to trip. Yours is about ready to trip.
Fix it. Must be another error. Minnow trip. Stace is ready with the gaff. Flag.
Oh, there it goes.
Is it spinning?
Yep. Turn, baby, turn. Ain't even straight up and down.
Got him?
Ooh, I think I lost him though.
Oh, you lost him.
That was the big one.
Was it?
Yes.
A lot of pressure.
Yeah. There's another northern, definitely.
Come on, Stace, you gotta step your game up.
2 lost fish. And somehow mine got like Mike's. Wrapped around the hook. Oh, and the salmon hill, how did it do that?
Every time Mike walks away from his tip up, it goes up. I'm gonna keep these flags out and keep grinding. Hoping for some big bass and northern pikes. I really feel like keep yelling tip up, flag. Make myself look like a jackass. What's new? Mike's tip up about did a somersault. Stays with the gaff again. Missed him again.
Yeah, I like the red balls. I don't really like that.
I guess it's part of the need to go.
Okay, yeah, that's not bad.
Hold on. Did you get him this time?
I think he got him this time.
He's been having one hitting it?
Yeah, he's missed it like 7 times.
Sure, I ain't down with the gaff this time.
Oh, he got some line. Oh, yeah.
Hey, northern.
Bad.
Little one.
That's a pike. Oh yeah.
Biggest I've ever seen.
Smaller than yours.
So cool.
Can't be that one that's been doing.
Yeah, can we go back?
That's smaller than mine.
It's because we never come back
Must be
here.
a northern.
I brought Levi down here. Yeah, Levi was good for the photo op, and then he's ready to go home.
What? What happened?
Nice. You just missed that one. Walked over and caught that one.
I didn't see that other one, the beaver dam one.
It went up when I got over there.
And just like that, our fishing day was over. Not too terrible out there today. Wasn't that great, but it wasn't that good. The panfish were very, very small in this bay today. The northern were fun, even though I didn't catch any. So we got open water everywhere out here, and just this little bay that we're in is frozen, like I said earlier. And I don't think it's gonna be frozen much longer. She's already starting to melt. When I went to get my last tip up, there was only about 3 inches tops down there. Pretty sure it was 4 inches there when we started, and it was 5 inches where we were jigging, which is down to about 4 now. So I don't know if the ice fishing is going to get put on hold around here for a while, if I'm going to have to start traveling. Might head up north. Anyways, yeah, it was fun watching Mike chase some tip-ups, and Stace got his first northern of the year through the ice. Got some perch, got some bluegills. It was still fun. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that now. Hit the bell so you get notified every time I put out a video. Clobber that thumbs up button. Luke Reeser signing off. Always remember, you're never too fat to fish.